The map program will automatically store your history for up to 3 months. This video will show you how you can back it up yourself and keep on your PC forever. It is Sunrise's history we will use. Select History. Select the start and end date. We will use all April's cruising. Set stops to something more realistic like 1 hour. And select the Show tab. Your cruising for the month now appears. Now to save it, go to the Export tab and select Export to GSR. GSR stands for Golden Software Reference Format. The backup file is created in your default download folder. Let's now clear the history to test the backup. Upload the GSR file from your computer. That is all there is to it. You can view it for as long and as often as you want. We hope you found this video tutorial of interest.